Hey everybody, it's me again. Thought I'd make a short video and let you know what I'm doing on the driver's side. I am replacing the upper and lower ball joints, which the upper is built into the control arm, so I have to take that. Yes, you have to have an alignment done afterwards. Gotta press that one out. I'm not replacing the CV axle on this one. And new brakes and rotor on this side. Had to take the strut out, but I'll make this video a little bit longer and add more here later. Thank you. It's me again. I thought I'd do an update. It's a different day, about 35 degrees out. I put the upper control arm in, the strut, the lower ball joint already this morning. Hoping to have this truck done today. We'll see. I will add more as I get further along. Please comment on this and let me know what your thoughts are. And there's a lot of how-to videos on there, is why I'm not been doing it. And also, I don't have no way of holding my phone to do the video, but you can see what it's on with 5.3 in it. Thank you for watching, and I will add more later. Bye.